everyone, welcome back to Chef with Jess. Today I'm going to make something special for my little pup children. We're making banana peanut butter pupcakes. So for these pupcakes, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium mashed banana, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 egg, a half cup of flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so now that that is warming up, our first step is to mix together the peanut butter, the oil, the banana, and the honey. So let's do that. Alright, while I was mixing that, it definitely seemed like my pups were right there. They definitely seemed like they already knew what I was doing. They know this smell and this combination of ingredients that they have been just standing next to me this entire time. But our next step would be to add the egg, flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Once that is all mixed in and combined, we're going to pour it into our little cupcake liners and it's ready to go into the oven. But first, let's mix those ingredients. Now that our pupcakes are ready to go, we're going to put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to put the timer for 15, check it, and put a little toothpick in. If it comes out clean, then they're ready. But if it doesn't, they need a little more time. So let's put them in. Okay, so it seems like our cupcakes are all set and they don't need that extra 5 minutes. So now we're going to put their icing on and their little toppings. So for the icing, I'm just putting peanut butter on. You don't really need to get fancier than that. And then I'm just gonna put a little dog treat on top. You're gonna love it. These are all set. I definitely would wait for these to cool to put the peanut butter on, I definitely put it on a little bit too early, and now my peanut butter is just like melting down the sides, but they still look so cute. Look at that. And you know, the pups won't mind. But they've literally been just like standing around me just like drooling this entire time. I'm gonna have to like clean my floor after this. But once they cool completely, I'm gonna let them test it out, and then they'll be the final judge. Right, guys? Okay, so I figured this was the best spot to see them enjoy these delicious cupcakes now that they're all cool. Alright, Arrow, since you're here, you can be the first one. There you go. Oh, you got it on your nose. How is it? Is it good? Oh, Keone's coming. Hold on, Keone. I'll get you yours. Here, Arrow. You. Okay. Here you go. I'll clean that up. Okay, Keone Brown. This is yours. This is so messy. Here you go. You want the wrapper? Come on, I worked hard on this cupcake. This cupcake for you. Oh, God. So barely it's hit. Arrow's finishing his mess up off the floor, but safe to say these cupcakes are a good recipe for my pups. They're taking the rest of their cupcakes elsewhere. But this recipe is very easy to make, very simple. It's ingredients that I just have in the house kind of all the time. So that's why it's a nice go-to homemade treat for my pups. Now I have 2 more each for them that I'll give sporadically throughout the rest of the week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing time making these cupcakes, and I will see you soon. Right, Arrow?